What's going on, Skyway fam? Hopefully welcome back to YouTube and our Skyway Classics website here, where we do videos on all of our inventory. My name is Nyla, and today I'm showing you a mint condition 1997 Ford Mustang. For all my Mustang lovers, this is a diamond in the rough. It's a 97 and only has just over 28,000 miles on it. It is pristinely clean inside and out, and just an awesome running car. It's a manual transmission, so a little more fun to drive. You can see in here, 5-speed. I love the brown interior myself. Nice leather seats, no rips or tears. It's just in extremely good condition. Let me see back here. What's that? I think that is, I don't know, some extras. I think it might be some information, a binder on maybe some of the services that it's had or whatnot. But extremely clean. Everything's stock, everything's functional, everything works. 28,427 miles on this car. It is barely broken. Try to get the key out of there, but I can't. But really nice, super low mileage. You can see even the rims and tires are in really good condition. No rubbing, no scuffing. Just a really clean car. So I'm gonna get the engine started up and we'll take it for a test spin, and then we've got some footage of the undercarriage too, so stay tuned.
Welcome back to Skyway Classics. We are driving our 97. Shoot, I thought it was 95. 97 has got 28,000 real documented miles on this car, folks.
Yep.
This is an all original 97 Cobra SVT Mustang. You guys that are looking at this know what it is. You know what you're buying.
Super duper clean.
It's clean. There's nothing wrong with it. It looks good. It smells good.
Drives good.
School's out, so I'm speeding by here. It literally feels like it's brand new. The seats even feel.
I know, right?
Nice,
the seats are barely even
comfortable.
Broken.
Yeah, I mean the clutch
we'll
feels
have some
great.
fun in this little
Brakes
thing.
Feel great.
Yeah, everything feels good. Nice Mustang, 1997 with only 28,000 miles. Come check it out.
Fun.
Yep. All right, we're gonna take it back to the shop. Stay tuned if you'd like to see the undercarriage.